Okay, this is what we have. We have a double paged spread of a newspaper, right? And what we do is we mark the corners or the sides of the kite like this. So I marked it here, and now I'm going to mark it here. I'm going to mark it here. Okay, move the ruler. Okay. Using the marker. There we go. So this is what we have now. I marked the lines with a black marker so I can now cut them. Now I have cut each side off. You can see that here. Cutting the last one. Right, so now it looks like this, like a kite. We now have a diamond shape, and I have placed the sticks or the bamboo sticks on top of it, and I can see that this one is too long, so I'm going to cut this. Okay, I now cut this stick a little bit shorter so it fits onto this diamond shaped kite, and I did it just with like a knife, using the knife like a saw. Okay, but if you have a saw, of course, that's better. And stay safe. You will let your parent do this. I will now proceed to tying the two ropes together, several knots, twirling it around, and I think I might use Scotch tape as well. This is what it looks like. I'm going to use some tape. Tape it around here as well. Like this. Now I'm taping down each corner of the stick onto the paper. And then I cut a little bit here, corner, each corner. And then I fold each side a little bit like this. And I have cut here, I fold. And then you tape around all around the edges, and this is to keep the outside edge from tearing in the wind. So you like fold it, right? And you put Scotch tape here. So it looks like this, right? And then it's not taped here in the middle. I will also tape the stick to the paper like this, but I will not tape it in the middle because that's where I will put the string. So now I have the edges folded, taped. There's some tape here as well. I have not put tape in the middle, only secured so it's like a cross. Okay, and now I will add the string. So I have tied a string to the middle. I have made a spool just out of a cardboard box that I folded, and then I twirled the string around, and I guess now I'm ready to fly my kite.